Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Ducati Monster 937. Monsters are often found lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce at any moment. They are usually the product of myths and legends, very similar to the monster on which this video is based. Ducati's most legendary motorcycle in their lineup just happens to be a proper monster, and after several major revisions in recent years, it's now arguably better than ever. The newly redesigned Monster is built around a new 937 cubic centimeters L-twin factory capable of 111 horsepower and 69 lb-ft of torque. While these power figures aren't a surprising difference when matched against the outgoing 821, the real breadwinners come in the form of major weight loss programs. Engineers at everyone's favorite plant based in Bologna have managed to reduce the overall weight of the bike by 32 pounds. Usually more power equals heavier, but Ducati has decided to take a reductive approach to the equation and double down on the fun agility-based nature of the Monster, actually brought him back to pure essence. To aid in the weight loss generated by the new engine, the outdated steel trellis frame has been updated with a much lighter cast aluminum counterpart and glass fiber reinforced subframe to really add to the injury when crushing twisties. Brembo stopping power, 43mm forks and adjustable rear shocks, and all the computational assistance you'd expect to find on a premium Italian motorcycle all work in perfect synchronicity to deliver a monster that handles better than ever. The best part? The Italian builder has marketed this model as a gateway to the Ducati universe and now stands as the perfect entry point into their 2022 lineup thanks to its adjustable price point. For riders who enjoy a little extra sauce on their Italian sub, the Plus, or simply Plus, variant is offered for a few $100s extra and includes a minimalist windshield and passenger seat cover for some extra swag for your pet. The 2022 Ducati Monster starts at $11,995 or 13,795 Canadian dollars. Ducati Monster Plus 2022 starts at $12,495 or 14,395 Canadian dollars.